Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to freeze columns and rows in Excel on mobile. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. In the mobile version of Excel, freezing a row or column is slightly different from the desktop version. As it turned out, this function is hidden in a completely unobvious place. We tap on this unnoticeable arrow icon in the lower right corner and the Excel menu opens. Next, click on the Home button, which is an analog of the tabs from the large version, and select the View tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and finally select the Freeze Panes option we need. Now, to freeze the first column, press the Freeze First Column button. And for the first row, press Freeze Top Row. To cancel the freeze, tap the corresponding button again and the freeze is cancelled. Unfortunately, it's not possible to apply these two buttons at the same time. But for this situation, we can use the Freeze Panes button. For example, you need to freeze the first 3 rows and the first column. To do this, we need to select the appropriate cell B4 and then click the Freeze Panes button. As you can see, the first 3 rows are frozen, as is the first column. You need to freeze 2 columns and 2 rows, select cell C3 and then click Freeze Panes. I think the logic is clear. We select a cell at the intersection of columns and rows. To freeze only rows, we always select cells in column A. For example, let's freeze the first 6 rows. To do this, select the cell A7 and then press the Freeze Panes button and all 6 rows are frozen. We do the same with columns. Select a cell in the first row, for example C1, and 2 columns are frozen. And that's it. Now you know to more.